Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset your iRobot Roomba E5. And to do this, first, if you have your robot paired to the app, we'll need to scroll all the way down, enter our product settings, inside select the About Roomba, then remove device from your account, factory reset Roomba. Then you can factory reset Roomba again, click on that button, and your Roomba should return to its factory settings. Now the reset is finished. Next thing, if whatever you're planning to do with this device after the reset, if you want to establish new Wi-Fi connection or connect it to the new app or new account, then you need to press on the home and spot button and just follow the setup. That will be okay. Please stop. Then you will need to follow the instructions that are shown on your smartphone when connecting it, and you can click on the home and spot button at the same time to reset the Wi-Fi like this. You'll hear that sound, and that means our reset is fully done. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.